5:49 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for the northern city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeastern Virginia, the southern city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia, the northeastern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia until 9 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the northern area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the northern area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Intact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Fort Hughes.
We have a severe thunderstorm warning that just got issued. I wouldn't be shocked if they tone that next. Double header on backup power would be crazy.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Hampton, Newport News, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Suffolk. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the eastern city of Pocosin in southeastern Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeastern Virginia, the southern city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Norfolk Ness or near Kirkland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newport News, Hampton University, and Fort Monroe around 5:55 p.m. Also Beach around 6 p.m. Grandview around 6:05 p.m.
I don't imagine the static could be from my radios, being I have the recom antenna all the way back, the 120EZ all the way up, and then the 400 all the way forward. And this is actually how they are normally. So it's kind of funny how that's all the way back and it's all the way forward.
899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or use